it is a real pleasure to sit down with President Mohammed of Somalia, an opportunity to talk about the challenges you're facing, but the work that Canada is doing to support in some complicated times. And I have to say your leadership and your the progress that you're making is truly important, not just for Somalia but for the region, and Canada again and always stands ready to be there to support in many ways.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister, for welcoming us. Me and my delegation, it's a really great honor for me to have this bilateral relationship. And welcome to Africa. I believe this is your first time.
First time to Ethiopia, but not my first time to Africa.
Okay, welcome. Definitely we will have a great length of discussion how the two nations can work together in a very cooperative way.